So today I will tell you about the whole process of SSB. So basically on first day of SSB, it is basically a ground reporting. You have to report on a certain time, like the certain time of 5:30 or 5 a.m. Then they will check your documents. If your documents are correct, then you will enter in. Then on the first day, we have stage 1. Stage 1, basically you have to give the OIR exam. In OIR exam, there are lots of puzzles, lots of quizzes you have to solve. And the next is PPDT, picture perception and description test. They will show you a hazy picture, and on the behalf of that picture, you have to make a whole story in 3 minutes. The timing of basically 4 minutes. 1 minute is for thinking and 3 minutes is for writing. And then after 15 to 20 minutes, the group discussion will start. On the group discussion, you will have to convey your story that you wrote on the paper. And after that, GD will start. On GD, basically you have to give your point. You have to convince the group to make the whole story, to make the common story of the group, because every people will make the different story. You have to combine all of them and you have to present one common story on the behalf of that. And they will announce the name after that. After group discussion, they will announce the name, that those who are enter will come and those who are out will go back to the home. And first day. Now second day is for stage 2. They will test your psychological perspective. They will test your TAT, thematic acceptance test, and picture perception test, not picture perception test, WAT test, word association test, situation reaction test, and self description test. On side day, you have basically 4 tests: WAT, TAT, SDT, and SRT. On the third day, there is basically a GTO task. GTO, you have to present, you have to work in the group, on the group. There is a snake race, there is a command race, there is a rope pulling. Basically, there are the different tasks you have to perform on that. Physically you have to perform. And on the fourth day, you have your interview. Basically, you have the power of expression, you have the confidence, your dressing sense should be neat and clean. You have basically go in the room and then present yourself, that what kind of person you are. And on the fifth day, there is a conference. A lots of people, a lots of officer is basically are sitting together, and they will assess you on the basis of your past 4 days performance. And on the fifth day, on the conference day, they will announce who are in, who are selected, and they will announce who are rejected. And on the sixth day, medical will happen. The medical process will goes on basically 5 days. 5 days for medical process, and after that, the merit list will come on, and the name will be presented on the name will be announced on that merit list.